So I am feeling very Morticia Adamsy today. It's probably because I haven't cut my hair in over a year. Hello, everybody. My name is Lisa. Welcome to the House of Jane. I'm going to do a lot today. Well, to me, it seems like a lot. To you, it might not seem like a lot, but I'm going to show you my newest package from biggestcraft.com. Show you my finished project. This is a cross-stitching video, by the way, if you just wondering, what is she talking about? Cross-stitching. If you're a cross-stitcher, this video is for you. So I showed this in my last video I did for biggestcraft.com. This is now finished. It only took me quite a long time. I'm going to frame it. This is going to be in my little tea coffee spot when I get back into my house. And I started a gigantic cross stitch project. Look at this. To me, this is gigantic. You can see more on the back of what I accomplished. I think this is going to take me a couple of years to do. It's actually a Halloween cross stitch from the same company I'm promoting today, Biggest Craft. It's taking quite a while. I just wanted to show you my progress. This is 14 count Aida. I showed this in my last video. This is a great storage system for your threads. Everything is numbered, and I'm finding this extremely convenient to get my threads off and start a new color. So that is that. Let me show you my newest things that I got from them. This is a collaboration video, just to be straight up front. I do have a code Jane2, which will get you $2 off. My code might not be as good as a website code, so you would have to check it out, but I'll show you what they sent me and I'll give you my opinions on how I feel about it. First of all, their prices are dynamite. This is the first project I got. It is a vase on a windowsill, $4.99. Very reasonably priced. Comes in a project bag with instructions if you need some help on doing cross stitching, how to read the chart. This is 14 count Aida cloth, which is a little bit easier on the eyes. That means there are 14 stitches, little holes, little boxes per inch. This is the project. Let me show you it very closely. It's really pretty. And they also give you a breakdown of everything in the package. But what is nice about this is called, it is counted cross stitch. However, everything is printed right on the Aida cloth. So it's really easy to follow along since everything is here. I still refer to the picture and everything, but I find that when it's on the Aida cloth, it's made it very easy. I've never used printed on the Aida cloth before cross stitching. I've always used it where it's just a plain white cloth, and I find it very interesting and easier when it's printed on there. Every project comes with 2 needles and the thread. The needles, I'll be quite honest, aren't the best quality. On this project I've already went through one needle, it actually broke, and the other one is getting worn. So the needles will last a little bit. I suggest you use your own needles if they're better quality. And however, the thread, the embroidery thread, is a very good quality. And I didn't presently pleasantly surprised that the thread quality is quite well. Because what you don't want to do is do a whole project and have crappy thread. So I am happy with the thread quality. So this is the first project. It's $4.99. And then I chose another project which was only $3.99. Same project bag. Take it out. Also 14 count Aida cloth. They've really expanded the drawing in here in case the printed on cloth. Oh, well, Hobby. This one is just, I didn't even open this prior. This is just plain. This is just white Aida cloth. It is not printed on there. For some reason I thought it would be, but no worries. Again, they gave 2 needles, and then here is a very easy to read key. And here is symbols for each color. So it's really very easy. And this one has less threads to be concerned about. There's only 11 colors in this one. And actually, even though this I could actually probably do in a few months of working on it every day, because you do leave a lot of the white. So I actually should have started this over the Halloween one. I think I'm going to do 2 at one time, actually. I think I'm going to be a multi cross stitcher project person. Again, this was only $3.99. And there you go. That's a picture of it. And then the last thing I chose, I've never used this before. I've always used the embroidery hoops. This is a plastic snap frame. It's 11 inches by 11 inches. Let me open it up for you. And I think this would be perfect to use on one of these smaller projects. It's PVC pipe, and you take, I think you take this and you just connect it like this. Connect it, let me put this one in. Connect it like this. Yes. Yes. There you go. And you got your frame. And what you do is you take off these pieces. Well, I'm gonna have to get a little tool. What I probably should have done is take off the pieces first, put the frame together. All right, we do this together. Oh, I can't take them off on this side, but you should take them off first. This is a little awkward because I don't want to break the nail. So I will figure out how to use this, and maybe I'll come back and do a short. I do know that for these pieces, you can just slip them right off. For these, I'm going to have to figure out how to snap it off without breaking my nail. But once you put the frame together, let's do that real quick. You take your Aida cloth, stretch it on there, and then take these and lock it on like so. But you have to do it on all 4 sides. So I'm only going to do 2 sides right now. And then once I get these off, I'll snap it on. This is perfect size for this. This is absolutely great. I mean, some people like to do with nothing, no embroidery frame. I personally like a frame, and I'm using actually a really small one on here because my other frames are in storage. I'll probably put the PVC one on this project that I'm doing right now and work it that way. And this is $10.99. I forgot to mention the price, and it comes in different sizes. So Very nice, very nice. Never used one of those plastic frames. So that is it. I will leave a link down below to their website, Biggest Craft. Again, I have $2 off of Jane too, but they might have deals that are better on their site than my $2 off code. Prices are amazing. They have hundreds and hundreds of projects there. Most of it's cross stitch, but you'll find some other things like diamond painting, cross stitch accessories, stuff like that. Thank you, biggestcraft.com, for sending me these products for my review. I so appreciate it. And I appreciate you guys. If you want to, if you're so inclined, give me a like and a comment, and I would love a subscribe. I'm growing my channel in many different ways. So come and join the party, and I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.